Hello, this is Mark LaRochelle from Productive Computing, and in this video I'd like to talk to you about our maintenance support program, also known as MSP. This is a program designed to give you ongoing support, guidance, and development help for your FileMaker system, all for a monthly fee. At its core, MSP is about having a team you can rely on. So instead of worrying about being billed for every request, you can reach out to us as often as needed for small development tasks, support issues, best practice advice, and training, and we'll take care of it. In fact, at the time of this recording, our team has now handled over 10,000 development requests, so you're getting access to a very experienced group of certified developers. These requests are typically smaller in nature, 2 hours or less per request, but they do add up to a big impact over time. For example, you can use it for adjusting layouts or improving workflows, fixing scripts or resolving errors, optimizing performance, getting advice on how to approach development changes in your solution, or even training for your team. So it's not just development, it's also consulting, coaching, and ongoing system improvement. Let me walk you through the different features and tiers of the maintenance program now. So the maintenance support program breaks out into 3 separate tiers. That would be Basic, Priority, and Platinum. Within each tier, we look at the number of licensed FileMaker seats. So for example, if you had 11 users and you were interested in the Basic tier, the price would be $1,000 a month. Using another example, if you had 26 users and you were interested in the Priority tier, you would pay $2,000 a month as of this recording. Those in the Platinum program have a flat $4,000 fee per month with no limit on licensed users. Each tier comes with an average ticket resolution time of 7 business days, 3 business days, or 1 business day. And if you stay with the program for at least a year, you could take advantage of our custom development rebate, as well as a custom development discount on the hourly rate when you approve work outside the maintenance support program. Each tier comes with a health assessment, which is a $2,500 value, unlimited support tickets that are 2 hours or less. Each tier comes with consulting and coaching for programming best practices. Then there are recurring meetings for ticket review and new requests. 1 per month for Basic, 2 per month for Priority, and weekly for Platinum. Each tier has limited FileMaker server support for patches and upgrades, and Priority and Platinum can take advantage of new server installations and annual SSL certificate updates. Priority and Platinum have the distinct advantage of having an under-the-hood system cleanup, which is a 20-hour value where we can work to optimize and clean your system based on our analysis. We also provide after-hours and emergency support rates for an additional fee. However, if you're in Priority or Platinum, you'll be billed at your discounted rate. With Priority and Platinum, you get a dedicated maintenance developer. That is a person here assigned to your account who gets to know your system better, who could provide efficient advice and development. In the Platinum program, we extend an additional hour of development for small requests, up to 3 hours instead of 2. And finally, the Platinum tier under the hood system cleanup is extended to 40 hours compared to the 20 hours for the Priority program. The goal here is simple: to give you a proactive, reliable partner to help keep your system running smoothly while also helping you improve it over time. If you'd like to learn more, feel free to reach out to our team. We'd be happy to review your system and help determine which MSP level is the best fit for you. Thanks for watching.